Hey guys, I just want to quickly show you how to train regression models using Allie. So first things first, go into the training directory and then run model.py. You then can specify the regression problem, and then specify the spreadsheet you want to use. This spreadsheet's copied over here to the folder. If you follow the tutorial thus far, this file should be there. You can see it has all the columns on here, featureized data, and the class column. Just for the sake, I'm just going to say we're going to model one class. That's what it's kind of constrained to right now. The class number one is class, and then we're going to say this is the gender problem. So then it's going to go in here and get all the data, classify each column, remove outliers, write to spreadsheets like any other problem. And you can see here that that the data is being generated, training and test data, as you'd expect. And it's about to train the model. So I'm going to let it train here and just be quiet for a little bit so you guys can see the model session. You can see that it's now training and it's measuring it based on the mean squared error, and it's lowering over time with T-Pod. So that's a good sign. You can also see all the model directory data in here, and we'll see this at the very end. We can see the model performance and whatnot. All right, great. We have a decision tree regressor, ElasticNet model. It saved the classifier to the disk. It's in the CSV models folder here, which is great. And you can see a graph of the predictions of the model, which seems right on as expected, except for this number 9 right here. It's the only one that seems to like it's off, or in 18. So it's about 90% accurate, it looks like, just like the other models. Yeah, you have a classification performance data set right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Excited to share this with you guys. Next step is to make model predictions from here using all models in Allie. So thanks for chiming in. Please leave an issue if you have any issues, and yeah, talk later.